children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. I am here again with one more mathematics video with the topic division. And children, in future, I will be bringing up some English videos too. If you like my videos, then please like and share them and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Children, today we will learn what is division, properties of division, division of 4-digit numbers by 1 or 2-digit divisor, and to check your answer. Now, what is division? Division is equal sharing or putting the things into equal groups. अगर हम किसी चीज को बराबर बराबर बांटना चाहते हैं या बराबर के ग्रुप्स में बांटना चाहते हैं तो दोनों ही के लिए हमें डिवीजन यूज करना होगा. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिवीजन. एंड द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज इफ वी डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय इटसेल्फ वी विल गेट 1 एज द कोशिएंट. अगर हम किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें कोशिएंट में 1 मिलेगा. सपोज आई हैव 8 बुक्स and I distribute them among 8 students. How many books will each student get? 1 book. That means 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Now, second property of division. If we divide any number by 1, we will get the same number as quotient. अगर हम किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें कोशिएंट में वही नंबर मिलेगा. सपोज आई हैव 3 पेंसिल्स एंड आई गिव देम ऑल टू 1 स्टूडेंट ओनली. हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स विल दैट स्टूडेंट गेट? 3 पेंसिल्स. दैट मीन्स 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Now, third property of division. We cannot divide any number by 0. It is not possible. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. 5 divided by 0? Not possible. 24 divided by 0? Not possible again. So children, these were the properties of division. Now we will learn to divide 4-digit numbers by 1 or 2-digit divisors. So let's start with our first example. 2574 sheets have to be packed in 9 packets. How many sheets will be packed in each packet? So children, before solving, we have to write the statement. First statement will be total number of sheets is equal to 2574. Number of packets is equal to 9. Number of sheets in each packet is equal to 2574 divided by 9. For division, we will have to see where should we start from. As the digit at thousands place is smaller than the divisor, so we will take the digits at thousands and hundreds places together. So let's divide 25 by 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. As 27 is greater than 25, we will take 18. Now write 2 as quotient above 5. Now 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. Now bring down 7 from the dividend. And we have 77 now. Let's divide it by 9. We will take 9 8s are 72. Now we will write 8 as quotient above 7. And 77 minus 72 is equal to 5. Now bring down 4 from the dividend. This way we will get 54. Now we know 9 6 are 54. Write 6 as quotient and 54 minus 54 is 0. That means we have get remainder as 0. And our final quotient is 286. Now let's check our answer. And I hope you remember the formula to check your answer. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here our quotient is 286, divisor is 9, remainder is 0. So let's multiply 286 by 9 and we will get 2574, which is our dividend. Hence our answer is correct. Our answer is verified. Now let's take example number 2. A nursery has 9,612 plants. If it has 18 rows with equal number of plants in each, how many plants are there in each row? Children, first of all, we will have to write the statement. And our first statement will be total number of plants. That is equal to 9,612. Number of rows is equal to 18. Number of plants in each row is equal to 9,612 divided by 18. Children, I hope you remember the table of 18. So let's start division. As 9 cannot be divided by 18, so we will take 9 and 6 together. So now we have 96. Now 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108. So we will take 18 5s are 90. So write 5 as quotient above 6 and 96 minus 90 is equal to 6. Now bring down 1 from the dividend. This way we get the number 61. 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72. So we will take 18 3s are 54. Write 3 as quotient above 1. Now 61 minus 54, which is equal to 7. Now bring down 2 from the dividend and this way we get the number 72. Now 18 4s are 72. So write 4 as quotient above 2 and 72 minus 72 is equal to 0. So we have got 534 as quotient. Now let's check our answer. And for that we will use the formula, which is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here the quotient is 534, divisor is 18 and remainder is 0. Now 534 multiplied by 18 is equal to 9,612, which is equal to the dividend. Hence our answer is correct. Our answer is verified. So children, that is all for today. I have prepared a worksheet also for you. The link for the same has been given in the description area. You can download it, solve it and send it for checking on my email ID, which has been displayed on the screen and also given in the description area. For more such videos and worksheets, subscribe to my channel right now. And to get notified about the videos, press the bell icon. Bye bye for now. Lots of love and see you soon in the next video.